Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Xiaomi Mijia Smart Desk Lamp in MiHome app and what all the options in the app are for this lamp. So let's see. First we will launch MiHome app. The lamp is already turned on, so let's refresh the list. And there it is. Let's connect it to our Wi-Fi. Seems to be going fine. This might take a while. Okay, so let's select a room and name the device. We'll leave it a desk lamp since I already have one. And as with all Xiaomi devices, on the main screen you can turn it on or off and select brightness and color temperature. There are a few other options that are exclusive to this lamp, like focus mode, PC mode, and reading mode. And of course the favorites as on all Xiaomi lights. It's empty now. So by touching the three dot symbol in the upper right hand corner, you will get to the various settings for this device. First, there are timer and schedules function, so you can turn it off and on automatically. Then there's child mode, which limits the light to maximum 4000 Kelvin to protect child's eyes. You can set a default state and what to do after power loss, and you can also set double click action. There are three possibilities, as you can see on the screen. Favorites are of course empty. Now you can also display info on the device. Automations, which is of course also empty. And you can also set password and time zone. We'll just set it to Belgrade. Okay, so what else is to do? Update the firmware, of course. So let's update it to the latest version. This might take a while. Okay, it's installing updates. And it completed successfully. Okay, so we're on the latest firmware. And that's about it for this lamp. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.